What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. Here is my other 1994 80th Anniversary Edition Kirby G4. And they're from different months. This one is from October of 94, excuse me. October 1994. And my Generation 3 is October of 91. So, here we go. That's when I picked up off a neighbor, and I walked almost all the way from her place to mine with this Kirby. And a nice gentleman was nice enough to pick me up and ask me if I needed a ride. I said yes, because I had to carry this thing and push it. So I pushed it quite a ways, and the person watched me, and he stopped and gave me a lift, and I appreciate that. And I've had this thing for 2 or 3 years now. Not expected, ain't been ran in a while. Still moves like new. Oh no, are you kidding me? Try to get another bag. Got a little exhaust leak. Well, it is an old Kirby, so it's going to need a new bag. Still runs good. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment down below. We'll see y'all next time. And before I go, just want to remind you guys that Jesus loves you and God bless.